just a picture of my cat to begin today's video. I have recently just came out with my Instagram and Snapchat. Make sure you add me on Snapchat and Instagram to get the latest gossip on my life, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Like, my life is pretty boring at the moment, but don't worry, my life will be action-packed very soon. So make sure you add me. You can contact me, message me, whatever you want. Many of you have been trying to message me on Snapchat and Instagram, which is absolutely amazing. Snapchat is getting quite busy, and so is Instagram. So yeah, so just be aware of that. Before I begin, I just have to give so many shoutouts to some of my amazing, fabulous family members. Sorry I couldn't fit all of you. I would love to fit 1,000 of you onto one page, but I really can't. There's just not enough time, no space. Like, some people are throwing shoes at me as I say this, but anyway. So here is my Snapchat squad, my Instagram squad, and my early squad. Thank you guys so much for joining all the squads. You are literally all amazing, and I couldn't be here without you guys, so thank you guys so much. Many people are throwing their computers at me because I take too long for an intro, so guys, I'm really sorry. I have to make this quite short. Just remember, if you do want a shout out, just message me on my social medias and I'll give you a shout out. So guys, as you all know, I will be giving a shout out of the video. So from this time, I'm going to be giving a shout out from Younow. So here's the shout out from Younow. It's called Mitra Mohammed 1. Thank you so much for your amazing support on Younow, on YouTube, everywhere basically. She has been there for me, and I've also went on a live video with her on Younow. So just thank you so much, all of you. You're a huge inspiration to me. Just thank you so much. And if you'd like me to give you a shout out, my next video, a potential shout out of the video, all you have to do is add me on all my social medias and then just message me, and then I will give you a shout out. If you add me on Younow and donate or tip me, I think it is, I don't know, then I will give you a main shout out as well. I will be doing Younow shout outs as well, so there's huge amounts of chances to get shout outs. Honestly, I love you all so much, and I couldn't be here without you, so thank you. Make sure if you guys enjoyed today's video to go back to my channel, watch my very simple no glue, no borax slime tutorial. You don't need any glue and it's no borax, so it's so easy, even a baby could do it. Like, get your cat to help you with this. It's so easy and you'll have so much fun. And once you watch that video, you want to go pole dancing with your family. Yes guys, the new giveaway is out right now. So this is how you enter to have a chance to win the iPhone X. So the first thing you have to do is like today's video. Then what you have to do is comment why you want to win. And then what you have to do is share the video with at least 5 friends. And then guys, follow my Instagram, Peter Kiriakou. And then what you have to do is subscribe to my channel to become an AF member, which stands for amazing, fabulous family member, okay? And then obviously turn on post notifications, and then done. Good luck, everyone. Just before we begin today's video, guys, I really need your support. So if you could please stop the video, like the video right now. If you can all like or dislike, whatever it is, I need to know your opinions, guys, because your opinion does matter on YouTube. It 100% does. So whatever you're doing, stop what you're doing, throw your homework away, throw your chair out the window, like the video or dislike the video right now. Oh my god, my table is so dirty. I mean, like, you guys must think I'm absolute tramp. Oh my god. Okay, let's just clean this up, and then I can do my intro. I am such a fail at YouTube. Like, who am I? This is so nice. Is this recording? What the hell? Okay, I nearly choked 4 times in a row, but anyways, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm not going to put my chocolate in the borax, because we're not having borax covered chocolate today. Thank you very much, honey buns. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I really hope this is recording, because I just recorded this 20 times and the stupid container broke in the other video, yeah? So now I'm recording this another 10 times. But anyways, hey guys, what we're going to be doing is a no glue, no borax, no shampoo, no glue, no air, no lizards, no squirrel slime tutorial. No glue, no borax, clear slime tutorial. Guys, for today's video, you'll only need 1 ingredient. Yes, you heard me right, Sandra. Yes, Kitty. You'll only be needing 1 shampoo. Now guys, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to show this on camera, but I'll tell you what it's called. Imperial leather. I don't know. It's this. I am not sponsored. Don't sue me. Eating 1 ingredient, and all it is, yeah, is some shampoo. Men, rich, creamy leather. 2-in-1 infuses shower and shampoo, leaves you feeling refreshed. Thank you, honey. So you will only be needing this shampoo. One ingredient, guys. I know it's very scary. You'll only be needing I can't read that. So you'll only be needing this, guys. I am not sponsored. I wish I was. I am in no position to get sued today. Like, honestly, I'm living off beans and rice, so thank you. So don't sue me, guys, if you're from this company. If you're from this company, leave a comment down below. Now, before we begin today's video, guys, I would really appreciate if we could all smash the like button. Now, I don't mean to go and smash your car window like one child did. Yes, you, Lily. Wait, oh, no, don't hide. No. So I'm just exposing Lily over here because I said to go smash the like button. She went smashing windows like, honey, did I ask you to go on a rampage? No, thank you. Guys, I do not promote furniture abuse, so don't go smashing your windows. But what I do promote is like button abuse, okay? So smash that like button. Just leave your opinions down below because your opinion does matter on YouTube, and thank you very much. And as always, comment down below any suggestions you may have. Share this video with your friends, your family, because they really need to know about this recipe, okay? Like, I don't know why, but in every video I'm always clapping and clicking my hands, you know, let's go, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Come on, everybody, right now, come on, let's. So, what you'll need is some shampoo, you know, the container, the stinky, dirty container you found in the bin. And yeah, that's all you'll need, so let's get straight to today's video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, oh my god, that just flew. Today, guys, we're going to be making Hey everyone, welcome back. Oh my god, my voice. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, I know I haven't uploaded in about 1 billion years, but you know, hey ho, I am back. So, hey, you know, yes. So, you know, turn on the lights, bring the disco ball. Yeah, we're gonna party tonight. Thank you. First thing you want to do is grab a dirty, stinky container that you found in the floor. I basically found one in the bin outside, you know, my neighbor's garden. I jumped over the wall and got a container from his bin. But I'm sure you can find one on the floor because, you know, these are very popular these days, you know. So now what you're going to do is grab your shampoo. So grab your rich, creamy leather infused shower and shampoo. Leaves you feeling refreshed. And take some and put it into your container. So you don't want to add too much. Otherwise, if you do add too much, your parents will realize that you did use their shampoo and they will come and slap you, okay, children? So, you know, don't get slapped because, you know, yeah. So just add a generous amount. Now, I'm going to try not to add too much. Otherwise, my parents will realize that I use their shampoo and they will come and attack me. So I think that's enough. Yeah, okay, thank you, sweetie, thank you. So guys, this is all you'll be needing. Now, I think that is like a lot, actually. Like, I'm risking my life for this video. So, you know, give this video a thumbs up because I'm risking my life for you children, you know. Anyway, so now I'm gonna take a thumbnail because, you know, why not? You know, we all need our good thumbnails. Is that a good thumbnail? I think it is. Thank you, sweetie. No, that is bright. Put that away from my eyelids. Yes, okay, that is perfect. Okay, great. Now let's get straight back into it. So guys, here we have it, yeah, the product. So now guys, what you want to do is grab a cheap pencil. Now I am famous, okay, for my cheap pencil reference. So don't go stealing my catchphrase. Thank you very much, sweetie pie. So first thing I want to do is grab a cheap pencil. Now guys, I actually ran out of cheap pencils, so I'm going to be using a cheap pen. So thank you very much for your contribution. So what you're going to do is take your cheap pencil or pen that you found on the floor. I found mine in the street, like I always say. I'm sure you can find yours literally anywhere. You know, go to the, you know, charity shop. So what you're going to do then is going to, you know, mix this all together. Now, this feels so good. I don't know what it is about this shampoo, but it feels so nice. I love the texture. And also, when you mix it, you can feel like a little... can you see that on camera? I don't know. I don't think you can see anything, you know. But anyway, so you just want to keep mixing this and bubbles will start to form. Now, this looks so cool, like so amazing, like oh my god. But yeah, so you just want to keep mixing this, guys, until it turns into like a bit of a foggy consistency. Thank you very much for the... Oh my god, what is that? So you just want to keep mixing this until bubbles form. So now let's give it a good mix until everything is fully combined. My arms are hurting already. Now, guys, you know, if you are a bit lazy, you can always grab a child to help you with this. Grab a parent to come and help you. Say to your mum, oh my god, I'm so lazy today, mother. Can you come and do this for me? She will, you know, hopefully she won't kill you. But anyways, so now I'm just going to keep mix this until, you know, what I just said. Until it's like very foamy and amazing. So, yeah. So I'm just going to keep mixing this, guys. Now, I need to talk because, like... if I don't talk, then people scream at me. They're like, oh my god, why are you not talking? And I'm like, excuse me, my mouth hurts. And they're like, oh, excuse me, but I'm the viewer. And I'm like, okay, then cool. So now I need to talk for like years. So yeah. So you just gotta keep mixing this, guys. Now I think this is perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. So guys, oh my god, it actually already turned into slime. what is it? I don't know what this shampoo does, guys, but it's really, really cool. So if you do want a very simple 1-ingredient slime, guys, this is the tutorial you need to follow. So thank you. So now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to take this mixture thing and I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 5 to 20 minutes, depending on your freezer, and then I'll be back once I've frozen it. So yeah. Guys, I'm now back from the okay, I just noticed something. Who moved my camera? Mr. Ghost, did I ask you to move my camera? No, thank you, sweetie. Let's see if we have made slime. So first, I'm gonna test with my finger. Okay, wait. My finger is so crusty.
This is exactly like clear slime. I mean,
this is exactly like clear slime.
Amazingly thick. Thank you. It's so bubbly. And also, guys, if you do want to leave this to, you know, clarify, is that a word, clarify? So basically, if you want it to be super clear, all you have to do, guys, is leave this set for about 2 days in your fridge, and then all the bubbles will go, and you'll have such an amazing clear slime. Snoop slimes will be shaking. So yeah, this is a very, very simple a very simple 1-ingredient slime tutorial. I was gonna say 2 because, like, you know, including freezer, but you know, it's literally 1 ingredient, so yeah. So guys, this is super amazing, super jiggly, super thick, super glossy. Oh my god, it is the best, and I urge you to try this out for yourselves.
I love you all so, so much, and make sure if you haven't not already, make sure you do smash the like button, smash the share button, share with your goldfishes, comment down below any suggestions you may have, or just comment anything you want, honestly. Guys, we actually have tons of slimes, so make sure you do purchase from my slime shop if you want some amazing slimes. All the links are down below to all my social medias and to my slime shop. My slime shop is called Petitesy Slimes. All links are down below, so make sure to go check out my slime shop as I stock over hundreds of different slimes, different textures, different scents, and I just love my slime so much. So make sure you go purchase a slime. Every 2 slimes you get a free 2-ounce slime, guys, so make sure you take advantage of this deal while it lasts. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.